Hello there, friends. Danni here again from Danni's Dreams. I thought I would pop on and do a quick video today. I really wasn't planning on it, but I'm getting crafty and I'm going to use a stencil, so I thought it was perfect to add a short stencil video to my Fun with Stencils series. I will link everything down below, prior videos in my series, all the supplies that I'm going to use today, links to groups that I'll mention, and so on. So check the description box below. Today is Kraftin Kimmie Stamps virtual fall retreat, which I did not join, but I always love that in their Facebook group they put out challenges and they have fun sales and just all kinds of fun. So I am playing along with the challenges in the Facebook group. The first one was spooky. How fun is that? Especially with Halloween tomorrow. For those that celebrate it, and even if you don't, it's just fun sometimes, I think, to use some different type of images. I thought I would ink up and color Witchy Way. She just cracks me up with her hair and the little cat there. I colored her up just a little bit ago. I just realized I still am going to go in with some glitter pens for her little bat earrings and the bat on her outfit. Kind of forgot about that. And to give her a background, I'm going to be using this Bats and Moon stencil. And if you go to the Kraftin Kimmie website, which I will link below, it is one of the Frugal Friday specials. And so it is on sale through tomorrow night. So if you want it, I would go and grab it. I'm going to move my camera in just a little bit there. I'm going to do just a real quick stenciling with this fun stencil. But I am going to use like 3 different colors of inks. I just thought I would, like I said, I would do a quick video with it. It's nothing, not a fancy technique by any means or anything, but sometimes I'm finding the more YouTube videos that I watch and like blogs that I visit and stuff, I notice little things that other people do that I'm like, oh, why didn't I think of that? Plus, it's just fun. So I'm using my Make Art station with the magnets. I find that that works the best for me. I know a lot of people use like painter's tape or washi tape to hold their stencil in place, but this works out for me. I'm going to start with the Crafty Colors Granite Gray. And today I'm just using some little ink daubers to blend. And I'm just going to do kind of random spots on here to start with. Get some of those bats, some of those moons, just a little bit. I see I'm rubbing too much. It's making it kind of, I don't know, peel off a little bit. So maybe I'll just do more of a thumping, tapping motion more than a rubbing, although it's just habit to rub it like that. No really rhyme or reason to where I'm placing things. And while I'm doing this, just thought I would chat a little bit. So I mentioned in one of my other videos that I want to make more videos. And I've thought about it. I really like watching some of the process videos that I see out there of like the start to finish for card making. But when I sit down to do that, I have the hardest time. Okay, I'm going to switch colors real quick. Next, I'm going to go to Incredible Indigo. Again, it's the Kraftin Kimmie inks. And I think today I figured out I have the hardest time with that because I think I do things a little bit different than a lot of people do, in the fact that I choose my image first, and then I color it, and then I walk around my craft room to pick out what other products I'm going to use. So to do a process video, I'm not sure how I would do that. I guess start with a coloring video or something, and then as I go, I don't know. So I think that that's where I'm struggling. Let me know below, do you always pick out things that you're going to work with first, or do you just kind of fly by the seat of your pants, kind of like I do? For my last color, I'm going to add the Festive Fuchsia. I'm going to move that magnet a little bit. That last one was a really juicy ink pad, and it seemed to like really go on really well. I am going to go over some of those moons a little bit because I wanted it to be a little bit vibrant since my image is pretty vibrant, although some of these will be hidden behind it. It's just super fun. The more I use stencils, the more I really like them. It's just so fun to see the pattern emerge, and there's so many things that you can do. I was watching a video this morning by Hook, Line, and Inker. I will link it below, where she did a really cool stenciling technique that I can't wait to try. Just so much fun. So I'm really excited for my series on stencils. So there we go. I think I'm going to go back in with that gray granite, or granite gray, whatever it is. I am going to be ordering some brushes to use just with my Kraftin Kimmie inks, but I just haven't got that far yet. Always a wish list. Another friend of mine, we always tease each other that we're like Veruca from Willy Wonka. I want it all, and I want it right now. I'm trying to learn to be patient, but that's sometimes very hard. All right, I think I have that where I want it. So the best part of stenciling is always the great big reveal. I think that turned out fun with the pinkish purple ones, and then that blue, and then I'm gonna add her. Not quite sure what else. I think I have a spider web die cut I might add or something. Not sure. I will be sure to share the completed card next week in the Saturday showcase, and I'll go from there. Thanks for stopping by. Like I said, another quick, super fun with stencils video. If you are creating with stencils, I'd love for you to leave me a comment so I can come check out what you're doing. And until my next video, have a great day. Do something for yourself. Get crafty. Go crafty shopping. Just sit back and relax with your favorite beverage. Have an amazing day.